Assalamualaikum warahmatullahi wabarakatuh. Welcome to Smart Cooking with Azlafa and Ayaz. Today we are going to make chocolate muffins or cupcakes. For that, you need to sift all-purpose flour or maida, that is 1.5 cup. Now you need to add baking powder, then salt and baking soda. Then sift cocoa powder thoroughly so that there are no lumps. You can use a spoon to remove all the lumps. Now give the mixture a quick mix and set it aside. Now take a separate large mixing bowl and add unsalted butter, 125 grams, that is 2 sticks. You have to use softened butter. Softened butter means that it should be in room temperature, and when you just press the butter with your finger, it should hold its shape and it shouldn't be greasy. Now beat the butter in a stand mixer. You can use a whisk or a paddle attachment. You can also use a hand mixer. Now loosen the butter from the attachment so that the butter is well combined with the remaining butter in the bowl. So you need to beat the butter until it becomes light and fluffy. Please keep in mind that you don't have to overbeat it. You need to scrape down the sides so that the butter is mixed evenly. Now after scraping down the sides, just add 1 cup of sugar, so here you can see the texture of the butter and sugar's mixture. The sugar is dissolved inside the butter and it holds its shape. So now after beating the butter, it has become light and fluffy, so I added the dry ingredients. And now using a spatula, you need to just fold the dry ingredients in the butter. So fold the ingredients until it is well combined. So now after the dry ingredients are totally mixed with the butter, this is the right time when you have to add the mixture of coffee and milk. So the mixture of coffee and milk will help in enhancing the flavor of chocolate. So you can also skip this step if you don't like coffee or you don't have coffee at home. But I prefer to add coffee because I had made this muffins twice, once with coffee and the second time without coffee, and I felt that the muffins with coffee had tasted much more better. And after adding coffee, just whisk it using a whisk because it will be much more easier than using a spatula. Now after mixing it, you have to add 1/4 cup milk. So we need to add milk to make the batter more thin. So here there is a big difference after adding milk. You can see it. Now again add 1/4 cup milk. So in total you have added 3/4 cup. And don't worry, because of more milk, it will taste much more better. This will be the best muffin you have ever tasted. So here comes the question how the consistency should be. So the consistency should be flowy of the batter. It can break in middle just once or twice, but it should be a bit flowy. So now this is the last ingredient, that is chocolate chips. You can add 1/3 cup, okay? So it depends on you. How much ever you want you can add. I prefer 1/3 cup. If you like more chocolate, add more, and if you like less chocolate or you don't like chocolate, you can also skip it or you can add less. So now take a muffin or a cupcake tray and place the cupcake cups. So now pour the batter in the cups and don't add more than 2 spoons. Because adding more than 2 spoons can fill the cup and you don't have to do it. You at least need to leave 1 centimeter's gap. Now the last thing is to level the batter so that it comes out smooth. And also don't forget to tap the tray at least 5 to 6 times. So at last my muffins are ready, and see how beautifully it has rised, and I had told you don't add more than 2 spoons, it will be enough. And now my delicious muffins are ready, and I am also ready to eat it. So if you like this recipe, like, share and subscribe to my channel Smart Cooking with Azlafa and Ayaz. Thank you for watching.